in the valley, I was raised to be a man. Great Central Valley, where a man ain't worth a damn. They cut my pay to minimum wage. How's a family meant to survive on 10 an hour? Wife and a baby and a man with no power. So yes, I'm guilty, but I ain't sorry for what I've done. I needed the money more than the man I took it from. I didn't mean to hurt no one. So what's gonna happen, mister, to my wife and son when I go to prison? I didn't mean to hurt no one. Deep in the valley, where the grapes of wrath are sown. Great Central Valley, where the weeds are overgrown, and they burn, and they burn. Deep in the valley, I was raised to be a man. Great Central Valley, where a man ain't worth a damn. They cut my pay to minimum wage. How's a family meant to survive on 10 an hour? Wife and a baby and a man with no power. So yes, I'm guilty, but I ain't sorry for what I've done. I needed the money more than the man I took it from. I didn't mean to hurt no one. So what's gonna happen, mister, to my wife and son when I go to prison? I didn't mean to hurt no one. Deep in the valley, where the grapes of wrath are sown. Great Central Valley, where the weeds are overgrown, and they burn.